Do you want to stay online but don't want your friends to know that? Do you want to chat online but don't want your friends to interrupt your chat in between? If yes, then this video is for you. Welcome back to our channel ITyug 24/7, your only go-stop solution for every problem. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to turn off Active Now option in your Instagram. If your answer is yes, if you really want to know how, then watch the whole video. So for that, go to your Instagram. Tap on your profile, tap on three columns on the top right corner. On this, scroll down and go to this messages and story replies. Tap on it. In that, you can see show activity status. Tap on it. By tapping on it, you'll see show activity status. Allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So what you have to do is just turn it off. And that's it. That's how you can turn off your Active Now option so that your friends won't see that you are active on the Instagram right now. But this comes with a little disadvantage. So if you turn off this option, you'll also be not able to identify or will see that your friends are online or not. So this is a small drawback which comes with this option. I hope you like this video. If you just subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tricks or any social media tricks. Thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next one.